Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I just want to take a second to say thank you. And as you can tell by the title of the video, 500,000 views. I mean over 500,000 views. So I was looking around. I think I saw it. I guess I would have thought it was just a few weeks ago, and I was like, oh, wow. $4.99 and some change. That's unbelievable, and I just can't believe it. And then I was doing something, wanted to track back and look at, I forget what exactly, but I hit lifetime, and this number showed up right here. So as of yesterday, there have been 507,351 views on my channel. So actually, let's just click total. And you can, yeah, it shows up here. So here's how many views a day I was getting. On day one, I think it was, what was it? Does it even show? 2. So on day one, I had 2 views. And then I remember, I think I got so excited when I hit this spike right here, and I think it was like 70. And I have a few of these spikes right here. I think, is this the July one? No. Oh, I forget which July it was. Actually, my goodness, that was the July 28th day where I hit almost 100 views. Yeah, my gosh, I cannot believe it has been that far. And I think this was one of the, and here's the first Free Code Camp. And it went from there. But yeah, let me just show. Here's the most popular video right here. That is the seed algorithm, the seed random. Then here is the pip upgrade. So it was very popular back in April. And then here we are with an OS path. Let's see. Here's one that has really kind of surprised me. Just downloading a CS file with urlib. I didn't really think, and also the clock tick method. So all of these views really do surprise me. And what I still struggle with is which videos will be the most watched. I just truly focus on making videos that I believe will be intriguing, the most helpful, and videos I would want to watch. So that's why it is so important, if there's really content that you're very much interested in, to make sure you're hitting the subscribe button, notification bell, jumping over to Discord. We've been having a lot of awesome discussions over there. We have an entire section devoted to requesting videos, and then that gets voted on for the community. But I just wanted to take a second to just always make sure everyone here knows how much I appreciate their time and energy, and to just say thank you, that I am blown away. I mean, 500,000 views. I know there are some videos out there that just have that alone. But for my little YouTube channel here that I just enjoy doing, and I think is truly helping others, you get everyone here watching these videos, it's just building and building and building. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for the wonderful support. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.